Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you amazing tips, like every dream come true. So as a YouTuber, you always dream of making some money someday from this platform, and that is exactly what we'll be talking about today, because I got my first paycheck from YouTube. What delayed my check was my Google AdSense PIN. Guys, this thing nearly made me to give up. I demanded this access PIN 3 times. My last trial was left. Like, when I saw the mail that in a month's time all ads will be stopped, I was like, God, what is this? But never mind, because today I'm going to be telling you exactly what I wasn't doing right and how I fixed it, so that you who is watching at me won't do same. Notwithstanding, I'll be telling you exactly how much YouTube paid me as a small channel. Stick around, I'll be right back. So I've shared the story into 3 parts. The first part is named the struggle. Here, the struggle. Why? Because after you have been welcomed into the YouTube Partners Program, the next thing on your mind is, oh, I need to start making money now. Nevertheless, that is true, but you cannot make money, you cannot take that money, you cannot collect that money, even if the money is there, without verifying your account with a physical PIN that is being sent to you by Google. So that is what makes it so challenging. Like in my case, after applying for the first time for the PIN, I used my address. So, it's not like I used the wrong address. I used my address, and the mail that followed was like, in 3 weeks time you are going to receive a PIN. I waited 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, nothing came. Anyway, I said, let me try again. I don't think trying the second time is an issue. After that 3 weeks, the 4th week, I reapplied. Behold, beautiful people, 1, 2, 3 weeks went again to the drain. This was already 2 months. And before I continue, YouTube will stop ads on your platform or on your channel if you fail to bring this PIN, to verify this PIN in 4 months time. That was 2 months gone. I started giving up. Even my posting, I become so reluctant. At times when I want to create video, I was like, what am I even creating for? I'm seeing money in my account. I cannot even touch the money. Will I keep doing this? What if the ad cease and all this money? What is the effort? I said, no, I'll still do this thing the 3rd time. I reapplied the 3rd time. That was already the 3rd month. 1 week passed. The 2nd week came and passed again. That was the 3rd week. I said, let me just verify to see the track. I saw on the track that in a month's time, had to be stopped. This one will be stopped. I was like, so this is for real. I started thinking, this is when I need to do something different. That was the 4th week. Pim, pim, pim. I received it. There was no error with my address. This is my same address. The same address I put on my mail. That's my name. Do you see it? It is my same address. It is not as if there was an error. I don't know why it delayed. After 3 demands, the last week, that is when I received this. So this is just to tell you that at times, this PIN will delay. It will not delay because you made error during the input of address. 1 or 2 things might happen, like in my case, and there will be the delay. So the delay wasn't about me putting in a wrong address. I don't know what happened. So to you who has maybe demanded and there's no response, maybe it can be a delay like my case, but it's going to come. Don't give up. don't give up, because I was at that verge of giving up. I understand what you are going through, but still stand, because this is it today. My same name, the same address I filled, like nothing has changed. Nothing has changed from it. This was I received it on the 21st of September. After entering the information, everything, pim. 2 days later, my first money dropped. I just got a message from my local bank, the UBA, United African Bank, that I got a parcel. Like 2 days later, that was on the 23rd. Yes, 23rd. So here is what YouTube actually paid. Check it here. Tell me. Yeah, this is what I collected. For some people, they'll say that this thing is small. You might say it is small because we are already somewhere there. For me, it is not small, it is big. It is big. It is huge for a start. This is just to confirm the reality of those who have been saying that there is money in this platform. Once you can deliver, you'll be shocked with the outcome. Yes, it is true. Imagine taking this amount. With this my small view, with this my very low view, it means those people who have those high views say, aye, those people are catching out though. They are catching out big time. YouTube is not a place to come and relax. YouTube is a place to come and work, because after every work there's a return. So I don't know, for you, is this small, or it's okay for a beginner like me? Or maybe, I don't know. What is your thought? Put it in the comment section. Let's see together in the comment section. So this is just to tell you that we are getting somewhere. So never be discouraged. Even if you have delays in topping on maybe your watch time hours for your monetization, please keep pushing, keep doing it. Just get monetized first. It is only after monetization that you can start thinking about earning. And for those who have already hit the monetization threshold, but they still have difficulties getting the AdSense PIN like I did. Oh, I didn't open. This is it. So that is how it looks like. This is how the envelope looks like. So if you have already hit the threshold, but you're still waiting for this AdSense PIN to verify your account, after first try, second try, third try, if you don't get it yet, please contact the AdSense support, because there might be issues, especially when you are sure of the address of your address that you feel. Like in my case, I was very sure of my address. It is my own home address. I was so sure of it. So when you are sure of your address, after first, second, and third, please contact the support team. Don't wait for the fourth. Like I said, there is time that the time will expire. When you get already into 4 months, your ads are going to stop. Ads to stop running on your channel. And I don't even know how to fix those things. At times, it's better to prevent than to fix, because fixing at times takes time and might not give good result. So it's better to avoid it. Now, is this amount here encouraging? What do you think as a small creator? Is this worth it? Is this space for us? Can we make something out of this space? Put it in the comment section. Let's chat about it. And nevertheless, even if you have delays in receiving your AdSense PIN, don't relax. Continue making your content. Continue pushing out your content out there. Don't feel reluctant, because I almost gave up. That is the honest truth. I almost gave up at a certain point, but I'm still thankful to myself that I could still show up, though not as regular. Once in a while, I was still there. But that was not a good decision though, because at the end of the day, the PIN will still come. So even if you have delays in receiving your PIN or your payment, don't stop the momentum. Keep firing, keep pushing, keep vibrating, because those things will still come. So if you found value in this content, please kindly drop a comment, share the video, like the video. And if you are a small creator like I am, I'm going to be dropping a comment, a pinned comment. I'm about to create a community where we can support each other, where we can push each other to like grow, where we can learn from each other, because no one is perfect. So if you're interested in joining this community, it's going to be on WhatsApp. You can click directly to join, and there we are going to discuss more on how we can better support each other. Thank you. Until next time, stay blessed.